Vaultek's Wi-Fi app is an incredible safe management tool. Front and center is the status and if the safe is charging or what the remaining battery power is. You can view the safe's internal temperature, tamper indicator, and internal humidity. You can set the interior LED light brightness and disable the sound. As an example, anytime the safe is opened, tampered with, an impact is detected, or even if the battery starts getting low, the app displays the status and sends an alert based on your notification preferences. The app can also display if the safe is unable to communicate and goes offline, which triggers an alert. This will allow you to check your home for any network issues, causing the safe to go offline. If the safe is in low power mode, a notification will not be sent if the safe goes offline. View the low power mode video for more information. The settings menu will allow you to name your safe and manage fingerprints. You can adjust settings such as sensitivity of the impact sensor, smart key entry modes, and even set environmental limits. You can receive an alert if the threshold for minimum or maximum values is reached. The history log tracks all recorded safe activity, along with a timestamp for when the event occurred. The notifications options will allow you to set alert preferences for push alerts and email alerts. Slide the toggle to the right to enable, and select from one of 3 different alert categories. Normal is by default. Vitals will only send the most important alerts for critical safe activities such as tampering, open, and low battery. The All setting will send an alert for all activity, including any minor setting adjustments. You can adjust these settings at any time. Security options are for safeguarding your app when opening. You can enable or disable the pattern lock, and you can also allow your phone's biometric scanner, if applicable, to unlock the app upon entry. Additional resources are available from the More button, with quick reference links such as customer support. To add additional safes, you can click Select Safe, then Add Safe, and follow the prompts depending on your setup.